Starlink Group 10-59. SpaceX successfully launched a Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket with the Starlink Group 10-59 mission from Space Launch Complex 40 at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. This launch flew 28 Starlink V2 mini-optimized satellites with a total mass of 16,100 kilograms to 279 kilometers low Earth orbit at an inclination of 53.16 degrees to the equator. The flight took place on Tuesday, October 7, at 6:46 Coordinated Universal Time or at 2:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This was the 59th launch according to the official number, actually, the 32nd launch, to the 10th Starlink shell. Falcon booster B-1090 took an eastward trajectory from Space Launch Complex 40. After stage separation, the booster re-entered Earth's atmosphere and landed safely atop SpaceX's A Shortfall of Gravitas autonomous spaceport drone ship in the Atlantic. The Falcon 9 first stage booster supporting this mission, tail number B-1090, launched for an 8th time. Starlink V2 mini-optimized satellites are built by SpaceX and have a reported launch mass of 575 kilograms. The optimized chassis features upgrades, such as a new backhaul antenna with a SpaceX-designed and built dual-band chip and improved avionics, propulsion, and power systems. Starlink sats are able to track on-orbit debris and capable of autonomous collision avoidance. All satellites will be equipped with anti-reflective coatings. SpaceX began launching Starlink satellites in 2019. As of May 2025, the constellation consists of over 7,600 mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, LEO, that communicate with designated ground transceivers. Starlink comprises 65% of all active satellites. Nearly 12,000 satellites are planned, with a possible later extension to 34,400. SpaceX announced reaching over 1 million subscribers in December 2022 and 4 million subscribers in September 2024. Space Launch Complex 40, SLC-40, sometimes referred to as Slick 40, is one of 2 launch pads located at the Integrate Transfer Launch Complex, ITL, in Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, CCSFS, Florida. It initially opened as Launch Complex 40 and was used by the United States Air Force alongside the neighboring Space Launch Complex 41, SLC-41, for the Titan III program. Following the Titan family's retirement, the SLC-40 lease was given to SpaceX in 2007 for use by their new rocket, the Falcon 9. Since the early 2010s, the pad has transformed into a high-volume launch site for the Falcon 9, being mainly used to service the company's Starlink megaconstellation. As of September 2025, the pad has hosted over 280 Falcon 9 launches. In near future, SpaceX will add a new Falcon 9 landing zone within the SLC-40 launch complex to replace landing zones 1 and 2. Space Exploration Technologies Corp., commonly referred to as SpaceX, is an American space technology company headquartered at the Starbase development site in Starbase, Texas. Since its founding in 2002, the company has made numerous advances in rocket propulsion, reusable launch vehicles, human spaceflight, and satellite constellation technology. As of 2025, SpaceX is the world's dominant space launch provider, its launch cadence eclipsing all others, including private competitors and national programs like the Chinese space program. SpaceX, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the United States Armed Forces work closely together by means of governmental contracts. Falcon 9 Block 5 is a partially reusable, human-rated, 2-stage-to-orbit, medium-lift launch vehicle designed and manufactured in the United States by SpaceX. It is the 5th major version of the Falcon 9 family and the 3rd version of the Falcon 9 full thrust. It is powered by Merlin 1D engines burning rocket-grade kerosene, RP1, and liquid oxygen, LOX.